But now we're at a point where we can raise our canvas. So I'm just going to kick that in a little bit. It's going to make it easier for me to raise up. So standing right here, I'm going to take a look up and I'm going to see where this is going to fit best. And I think if I bring it in between this one and just over top of this one and inwards, that's probably going to be my best angle, so it's closest to the peak without being too far away, and it won't stretch up or braze the front of the canvas or the back. Sometimes that does happen. As we do stretch this out, we are going to be moving these around on the inside. But right now I foresee that this pole is going to come right about here, sitting on top of this pole here. So I always kind of fold it back under itself just to make it a little bit easier as I carry. When you get into heavier canvases, there's a lot of weight on the canvas. This is a pretty small canvas, so I'm not too worried about it stretching or the threads kind of breaking. But that's when you are raising a larger canvas, you got to keep in mind that that pole, as you can see, even being little, kind of moves around a little bit. So I'm coming over top of this one to keep it nice and close. And I want that canvas below that peak. And then from here, if I had a second person, I'd ask them to come roll it this way. All the way back to the door. So again, I'm going to be doing this way. You know, we are pretty lucky. There is a minor wind right now, but it's not too bad. We have to be mindful that these smoke flaps have to be on the outside. So now that that's here, especially if it was windy, I'd ask my assistant to hold on to this. It's not too windy. I'm going to grab the pins